Hello everyone. This is a problem from the chapter collisions. There are two n identical cubical blocks which are kept in a straight line on a horizontal smooth surface. The separation between any two consecutive blocks is the same. Some blocks are odd numbered like 1, 3, 5, and these blocks are given a velocity v to the right, whereas the even numbered blocks like 2, 4, 6 are given a velocity v to the left. All the collisions between all the blocks are perfectly elastic. We have to calculate the total number of collisions that will take place. So if we consider in the first phase of collisions, n blocks are moving to the right and n blocks are moving to the left alternatively. So in fact, at the initial instant, there will be n collisions. So initially, it is clear that there will be n collisions. Now, since the collisions are elastic and all the blocks are identical, there will be exchange of velocities that will take place between any two colliding block. At the same time, we can argue that the two extreme blocks, 1 and 2n, 1 and the block marked 1 and 2n, after collision will move out and then it will never encounter any other collision. So we are left with, after 1 and 2n is moved out, we are left with 2n minus 2 blocks, which will further have n minus 1 collisions because their velocities will exchange and they will further have n minus 1 collisions. And then again, two blocks marked 2 and 2n minus 1 will move out of the system. So we will be left with 2n minus 4 blocks, which will further have n minus 2 collisions. So if we add up, we get n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2, and this will go on till only two blocks are left, which will yield in only one collision at the end. So if we sum up, we get a simple arithmetic progression of the first n natural numbers, which results in n into n plus 1 by 2. Hope you have enjoyed this problem. Thank you very much.